Welcome to Learn and Practice video tutorials.
Styles in Microsoft Word includes using and applying styles, and adding an automatic table of content in Microsoft Word 2019. Document required, pat structure _ original.docs. Disclaimer. This video is aimed at CAT learners who need to keep up with school work during COVID-19 crisis. It is not as polished as I would like it to be. There is generated sound. Perhaps if it is found to be useful I will improve it in the future. Tips for using: do it with the video, pause when you need to, slow it down or speed it up with the playback speed. See tips for using videos for lessons.mp4. Open the pat structure _ original.docs. Click the Layout Page tab. Click the Margins drop-down button. Click Custom Margins. Click Top then type 1,7. If you can an error message then try 1.7. Your computer has a setting that sets the decimal delimiter character as comma or full stop. Click Bottom then type 1,7. Click Inside and then type 2,3. Click Outside and then type 2,3. Click OK. Click just above Table of Content. We need to put that on a new page. Press down arrow to move your cursor down to be in front OT table. Press Ctrl plus Enter, remember that this creates a new page break. Press down arrow until you get just in front of Introduction. Or you can click there with the mouse. Click the Breaks drop-down button. Click Page Tis will insert a page break, like pressing Ctrl and Enter. Double-click the word Introduction. Click the Home tab. Styles are found here. A style is a defined format, font, color, size, and function. They are used to create uniformity within a document, and are used to create table of content and outlines. Click Heading 1 to apply this style. Click and drag to select task definition. Click Heading 1. Click and drag down. Click the Save button. Double-click content or you can click and drag. Click Heading 1. I know that there is a lot of repetition in this video, but not only are we learning about styles and table of content, we are also starting to create UPAT document. Click and drag to select headings. Click Heading 2. Heading 1 is a subheading of content, therefore we use the next level of style. It is similar to levels in numbered lists. Select Heading 2. Click and drag or click in the left margin next to the line of text. Click Heading 2. Heading 2 is also a subheading of content. Select the text Heading 3, Stats from Survey. Remember you can click in the margin next to the text to select a line. Select Heading 3 Stats from Survey, you can click and drag then click Heading 2. Click the Save button. Click and drag to select Graph 1. Click Style down arrow button. Now you can see all the predefined styles. Click Heading 3. Click next to Graph 1. Press Enter to add in a blank line. Click and drag to select Graph 2. Click Heading 3. Click and drag down. Click in the white area next to Graph 2 and press Enter. Double-click the word Findings. Click Heading 1. Click and drag to select from the Research. Click Heading 2. Click in the white area behind Research and then press Enter. Click and drag to select from the Survey. Click Heading 2. Click and drag to select Conclusion. Click Heading 1. Click and drag to select Bibliography. Click Heading 1. Click and drag down. Click and drag Appendices. Click Heading 1. Click and drag to select Addendum, Folder Structure. Click Heading 2. Click and drag to select Addendum B, Declaration of Authenticity. Click Heading 2. Click and drag down. Click Heading 2. Select Addendum D, Preliminary Work. Click Heading 2. Click and drag up to the page 2 with the word Table of Content. Click. Delete the words Table of Content. Click the References tab. Click the Table of Contents down arrow button. Click and drag to see the headings which you have formatted with the styles in the table of content. Click Save button. Make sure you know what it is called and where you are storing it. It might be advisable to copy this onto your Google Drive as you will need this file for your pad. If you have found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Or leave a positive comment in Google Classroom, smiley face.